salah satu tempat yang bagus wisata di namanya Brukner Nature Center. Brukner Nature Center. Hari ini kita kemari masih di sekitaran Falls. Ludlow Falls. Maybe this is Mr. Bruckner. Ya, musim gugur. Come on, baby. Ini ada.
I'd like to see the Pioneer Trail, see what makes it Pioneer.
This is the trail map.
Log cabin.
Oh, baby. So many.
You see the old log cabin, baby?
Uh-huh. Bass in Ohio, connected to the nature side.
House was built in 1804.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this Mr. Bruckner house?
I don't know. Let's read it.
Oh my God. Log house. Dibangun 1804.
The 1804 Eddings House is the oldest structure on its original site.
Anthony Wayne Benjamin Bart, his wife Phoebe, and 6 children at Stillwater River in the Newton Township and constructed log house in 1804. The restoration is complete 2006. Miami County Milestone Community. That's nice. You want to see, baby? Wow. Benjamin Edding Log House built on historic place.
Can you imagine living in a house like this, baby, back in the 1800s?
Yeah, is this cold, baby?
You'd think it'd be cold, but I'm sure they
Have a fireplace.
plugged everything and stuff. Made it as insulated as possible. Sure, I bet it'd still be cold in the wintertime.
I know.
Yeah, they got a big fireplace for it, though.
I know. This is a fireplace.
That'll keep it warm.
This is the front house. You can go inside, baby.
Oh, yeah, they got a big fireplace, baby.
Oh, ini di dalamnya.
It's just a small house.
Wow. Yeah, it's a small
It's
house.
just small. So that fireplace would keep it warm, but you'd have to put something down by the door there to keep the air from coming in.
I know. It's very cold, baby.
Musty in here.
Huh?
It smells musty and moldy in here.
I know. This is the second floor. This is the fire.
Why they got all this shit hanging to dry?
Oh, a stove, baby. People in the long time, they dry something for... I can imagine living with a cold like this.
You'd have the fireplace going.
So unique fireplace.
Have the fireplace going to help keep you warm.
Lantai duanya tapi nggak bisa dibuka.
Two storage closets there.
Uh-huh.
One of them might be a bathroom.
This one?
Yeah, one of them might be like an outhouse bathroom.
Yeah. It's very cold inside this, baby.
Firewood.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, baby, it's very cold. Inside that is so cold. Inside that it's so cold.
It wouldn't be a fire. It's nice and warm in there with the fire going. All the walls start hold in the heat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So they got a second story.
Second storage? At where? No.
Yeah.
Which one?
You can see it in here. So one of those doors probably has stairs to go up.
Yeah. I told you there is a upstairs, second floor.
Yeah, but you can't see it.
Yeah, it's a close.
One of those doors probably goes to
Huh? Busted?
That thing doesn't look like it. That thing doesn't look like it's over 200 years old, does it?
It's already restoration, baby.
Yeah, I know, but it doesn't look like it's over 200 years old.
The wood must be the quality of wood.
You believe that's the oldest structure in Miami County?
Mm-hmm. Miami.
Cool,
Huh? Very cool house. What is this native Ohio species? My God, what is it, baby?
That's a coyote.
Coyote. Hey, look like Monique. Hello, honey.
Coyote. Isn't that nice having all this stuff so
Coyote.
close to us, baby?
It's just like a Monique, baby.
Isn't it nice having all this stuff so close to us?
I don't want to take a picture, baby. It's a female coyote.
Hard to see it.
What is this? Huh?
Great horned owls.
Oh. Owls is so cute. Burn owl. Ooh, so cute. Hello. You're so cute. This is a turkey venture. This is sorrel hog.
I didn't know they had all these animals down here.
Yeah. Wolf ducky. Hey, that's ducky. Wood ducky.
They get a bigger place to fly around then.
Oh. This is Red tail hog.
Hey,
What is Ming?
where's he hiding?
Ming? Where is he
He must
hiding?
be up in his house. Where it's warm.
Nggak tahu kemana dia nih.
See, aren't they cute?
This is
I
Ming.
wish he was out.
Ming!
He's up in his house.
American crown.
Oh, skunk, baby. Hey there, skunk.
Skunk! Strip skunk. Skunk! Skunk!
He
Skunk!
wants out.
Eh?
He wants out.
Really?
Oh, baby. That head.
I don't know.
Baby.
Huh?
That head.
What head?
Over there. It's
Yeah.
a head.
Somebody died.
Something.
Bald eagle. That's the eagle.
Yeah. I didn't know they had all these animals here, baby.
I know.
There's no fox. The ones I
Where's-
like the best.
Where's my fox? Red
The
fox.
ones I like the best aren't here.
Where
Fox and
is the
mink.
red fox?
All the good ones aren't here.
Oh God, this is nice cat. Bobcat.
All the good ones aren't here, though, baby. Well, good one was the coyote.
I like the coyote.
Mink aren't here.
Ya bobcat there is in the cage, nggak ada di kandang. Itu juga nggak ada di kandang. Itu juga nggak ada di kandang. Oke, ini tempat binatang-binatang sini. Oke.